Hello everyone, this is Alok Sharma. Today we are going to see how to change the material of any part or assign any material to any part of the assembly. So simply first we have to go to engineering data. Now go to engineering data sources.
Now you will see in this layout, the engineering data sources layout, there is a 5 column. First is this, second one is this, third one is outline of favorites, fourth one is the property, and the fifth one is the table of properties. So in this column you will see the group of materials like the granted design, general materials, additive manufacturing materials. So if I click on the general materials, so in this column you will see all the materials which is lie inside the general material. Like I click on additive manufacturing materials, you will see all the materials which is lie inside the additive manufacturing materials. So like if I click on this general materials, like I click on this aluminum alloy, so you will see this data which is of the aluminum alloy. Like the tensile strength and compressive yield strength is this, tensile ultimate strength is this, and on the right side you will see a brief description of any property. So if I click on this SN curve, you will see the SN curve here and the number of cycles versus the stress table also. So the right hand column is the column where you will see a brief description of any property. This column will tell you the properties of any material. In this column you will select the material, and this column is the group of materials.
So as we know, we are going to take the example of piston. So we all know the piston is made up of aluminum alloy. So click on this plus sign. Now you will see a blue book type icon is appear, which means it is taking this material into consideration. So close it. Now go to geometry. Click right click on geometry and click on new design module geometry. So it is open. Now go to file, import external geometry file and click on piston, open. Now right click and generate. Now we are seeing this geometry is like a transparent one. So click on view and click on this fusion body transparency. Okay, now close it and open ANSYS mechanical. Now we will see this is open. Now click on geometry and click on part 1. Here this part is selected and you will see in this material assignment is structural steel. It is telling that the structural steel is currently assigned. Actually it is assigned by default. So click on this and select for aluminum alloy. Now the assignment is aluminum alloy, means this piston is now assigned with the aluminum alloy. Now if you want to assign the material for the assembly which has many parts, then go to engineering data. In engineering data, go to engineering data sources. Now I am using a stool which have 5 parts, so I am just going to select 5 materials for it. So I am going to choose stainless steel, grey cast iron, copper alloy, magnesium alloy, and structural steel is by default. So close it, go to geometry and open design modular. Now I strongly recommended that you go to the engineering data and check every material which is installed by default in the ANSYS. So now it is open. Now go to file and click this assembly and generate. Okay, it is generated. So you will see this assembly has 5 parts, 5 bodies. So as you will see, these all parts are named similar. So first you have to click on each one and rename everyone, so you can distinguish themselves. So now go to view frozen. So you will see this is first part is solid is this one. So I will rename it as made footstep. Now click on this one. So this is the lower footstep. So once you have renamed all one, then go to close it and go to ANSYS model. Okay, so now it is open. Click on geometry. You will see all the 5 parts are like here. Like this, mid footstep, mid footstep. So click on anyone like this mid footstep, which is this part. So in this material section assignment, click on anyone what material do you want. So I want all these footsteps made up of grey cast iron. So I will click on this mid footstep. Similarly lower footstep, I will assign this grey cast iron, and similarly upper footstep I will assign this grey cast iron. Now for left support I will use like copper alloy, and for right support I will use copper alloy. Okay, so you will see once you click on this mid footstep, so it is assigned as grey cast iron, all these 3. Now left support and right support is copper alloy. So this is how we assign the material for the assembly. So if you want any help, you can contact me on my Gmail ID. I will provide the link in the description below. And if you have any problem and want a video on that particular problem, comment on the comment section. I will make a video for it. So thank you guys for this video. We will meet in next video. Until then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.